In this part I am going to create our second sketch. Select this plane, press it OK, make some direction correction. Now I am going to create this sketch. So let's start. Create a line, which is 80 by 2. Turn off, continue auto dimensioning. This will be 4. Define a radius. The value of radius is 15. Another radius. Uncheck this. Tangent 92. Create a line and make a radius here of R10. Make this curve tangent and from this axis to this point is 45 by 2, and this point is on this plane axis, and one constant needed. Which one constant? This one constant needed. The height of this is, to find the height of this is 104. Just taken from here. Sketch is fully constant. Finish the sketch.